Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer your Google Play balance to FamPay. First of all, open the Google Play Store app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu and then tap on Payment Methods to view your Google Play balance. Now remember, you can directly transfer your Google Play balance to any bank account or app like FamPay. But there's workaround. You can use your Google Play balance to buy gift cards, which you can then redeem on FamPay. First, head to a trusted platform that sells Google Play gift cards like Amazon or other digital stores. Purchase a gift card using your Play balance. During checkout, make sure to select Google Play balance as the payment method for the gift card. Once you have brought the gift card, head over to your FamPay app. Under Payments, you can redeem that gift card by entering the code you receive. After redeeming the code, the balance will added your FamPay account and you are good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.